TOPA is a professional manufacturer solution concerning hose crimping machines, hose cutting machines, nut crimping machines, hose cleaning machines, and related hydraulic hose machines. We provide on-stop hydraulic hose machine and related products. We satisfy the most exacting demands of customer and close cooperation with its customers. If you do not find what you are looking for, just contact us. We will come up with a suitable solution for every requirement. Our machine quality has passed ISO CE 2 certification. TOPA is not only strict quality control limited to our products, but also strict in each of the services offered and in the processes of our management. Before delivery to customers, every machine is 100% tested and debugged, including its electric control systems, hydraulic systems, and other components. That ensures customers receive products free from defects and meet their needs. Our teams with professional experience of technical and export. Our workshops have module head processing, component processing, assembly, testing, and so on. These workshops are equipped with advanced fully automatic lathes, drilling, grinding, boring machines, planers, punching, and CNC milling machines for dies. If you are looking for a professional and reliable hydraulic hose crimper manufacturer with outstanding service, please contact us.